Rishraj classes. Few days back, I published one video showing you the collection of my books. At the end of that video, I said that I have one more different type of collection of the books. So here I am today with the collection of my books once again. This is some different type of collection. I am deeply interested in astrology. Yes, nearly 12 years back, I started the study of this astrology. Astrology field is not the study of a day or a week or a year. It's a vast field, and I came to know what is astrology after I started studying this. So as I said, nearly 12 years back, I started my astrology studies. I also completed 2 certification courses of astrology. But as my first preference is always my tuition classes, I didn't practice as an astrologer. But I would like to show the collection of the books regarding this astrology. So the first book which I read of astrology is Kundali Tantra Ani Mantra. This is the best book for the beginners. Kundali Tantra Ani Mantra. Here I would like to tell you one thing, that almost all the astrology books are in Marathi. Means what I have collected. There are even very good books available even in English language, but I preferred Marathi books for astrology. So this is the first book, as I said, Kundali Tantra Ani Mantra. There are 2 parts of this. So this is the part 1 and this is part 2. These are best books for the beginners. Those who want to start the study of astrology can start with these 2 books. Then the next book which helps in astrology study is here, Kundalichi Bhasha. Kundalichi Bhasha, this book is not a single book. This comes in 4 parts. Different aspects of astrology are explained in this 4 parts of this Kundalichi Bhasha. This one. These are the 4 parts of this. Even these books are very good to study astrology. Many aspects of astrology are explained in simple language in this book, that is Kundalichi Bhasha. Then the next we can say a very nice book, which is very old book, they say, Sulabh Jyotish Shastra. Sulabh Jyotish Shastra. We can say this is like a handbook. Very nice book. Even the language of this book is also very easy to understand, very simple language, and a very good book for the beginners. That is Sulabh Jyotish Shastra. Very good book to study astrology. Then later, when we, as I said, astrology is a very vast field. We can't even imagine the depth and vastness of this field. So there are few more books to study astrology in detail. This is Nakshatra Jyotish. Nakshatra Jyotish. We know Nakshatra. Nakshatra plays a very important role in astrology. So this book gives detailed information of all the nakshatras. Nakshatra Jyotish. Then in astrology, there are many Graha Yoga. Those who know at least basics of astrology, you will understand these words. That is Graha Yoga. So here, Samagra Graha Yoga. This is one book which helps you to understand the different Graha Yogas in our Kundali. Yes, and it is said that in this world, no 2 Kundalis are same. Yes, even if the children, if they are twins, there is slight difference in their Kundalis. Yes, no 2 Kundalis in this world are same. So this one, it helps you to understand the different Graha Yogas which happens in your Kundali. Even this is very interesting book. Then in this astrology, there is, we can say, one branch, Prashna Shastra. Yes, means we get the answers of your important questions. So this is one book, that is Sampurna Prashna Shastra. Sampurna Prashna Shastra. This is a very good book which helps you to understand what is exactly Prashna Shastra and how it helps you to get the answers. So this is also one wonderful book, that is Sampurna Prashna Shastra. Then when I was studying when I started my astrology course, so this is just one, these are nothing but the study material for the beginners. This was, it was just like the entry ticket in the field of astrology. Yes, as I said, astrology is very vast field, but these books helps you to get the valid entry, we can say, in the field of astrology, which helped me to complete my 2 certification courses. So these are my course material. And nowadays we can easily make in few seconds, just if we enter the birth details in computer, immediately we get our complete horoscope ready. But this was not the picture few years back. We used to sit and do the calculations. So making one Kundali along with all the calculations was one part of our course. And for that I used to use this book. See, it's so old book, that is Sulabh Lagna Sadhan. Yes, this book helps you to do the different types of calculations while making the Kundali. And I still remember, I used to as I was beginner, I used to spend nearly, sometimes in the beginning I used to spend 4 to 5 hours in doing all the calculations, making Kundalis, and it used to take nearly 10 to 12 pages to make all the calculations and all, and to make one Kundali. So this book, it helped me for those calculating tables and all. So I used to use this book to make the Kundalis. And just for the extra reading, I am a very, we can say, big fan of Sharad Upadhyay sir. So I like his books. That is Rashi Chakra. Most of you might have seen his TV programs. Rashi Chakra. I like this book. And this one is Antaralatun Antarangaकडे. Antaralatun Antarangaकडे. Even this is a very nice book of Sharad Upadhyay sir. Along with astrology, I did just a small course, we can say. It was hardly of 4 to 6 months. It was of numerology. Yes, it was of numerology. And for that, I referred this book, that is Ank Jyotish Ek Chamatkar. Ank Jyotish Ek Chamatkar. So for that numerology, I referred, as I didn't study numerology in detail, so I referred only this one book to study numerology, that is Ank Jyotish Ek Chamatkar. So this is all about the collection of the books related to the astrology. Here I would like to thank my astrologer, that is Mr. Uttam Gowde, because it was all because of his guidance. I purchased these books and he guided me which are good books to refer to study this astrology. Now my next, we can say, the field of my interest is Reiki. Reiki is nothing but the universal energy. There are few countries, even in India, they use this Reiki therapy to treat many health issues. Not only health issues means physical as well as mental health issues. Yes. So for that, I did 3 degrees of Reiki. And my Reiki guru is Dr. Neeta Daulatkar, very expert. She is a Reiki master. She is from Belgaum and she is my Reiki guru, and I completed 3 degrees from Dr. Neeta Daulatkar. So for that, the first book is of Madam Neeta Daulatkar itself, that is Reiki, Hasta Sparsha Sanjeevani. Yes, this is a very simple handbook, but she has explained all about all the aspects of Reiki in simple words in this book. Those who want to know most of the things, that too in short span, can refer this book, Reiki of Dr. Neeta Daulatkar, a very good handbook of Reiki. Then I am never satisfied with one reading. As you might have come to know so far, that I am very much fond of collecting the books. So I started browsing few more books of Reiki to get more details about that. So later I purchased this book, that is the Practical Book of Reiki. This book helped me to know all of the practical aspects of Reiki, applications of Reiki. I still use this Reiki therapy for many of my minor health issues. Yes, and it miraculously it works to solve the health issues. So this is the Practical Book of Reiki. Then later a few more books which I referred is The Ultimate Reiki Touch. Then the next is Reiki Universal Life Energy. Then one more book, The Healing Touch of Reiki. Yes, The Healing Touch of Reiki. Even these books help me a lot. Yes. So, and in my previous video, in the concluding part of that video, I mentioned that most of them say that why to read many books based on the same concept. But I cleared that point. Even though the books are based on the same concept, now here Reiki Universal Life Energy, The Healing Touch of Reiki, and The Ultimate Reiki Touch. Yes, all these three books are based on the same concept. But I would like to repeat here once again that though the books are based on the same concept, but you will find that each book gives you at least few new things to learn. Yes, you will find something new, something extra, something special in each and every book. And this you will understand only when you read such type of books. Not only Reiki, just read the different books of the same concept, then you will understand my point here. And then comes the wonderful field which I like is tarot. Yes, tarot. Later, after completing my Reiki course along with Dr. Neeta Daulatkar, we both decided, even we were interested in this, so we decided to do this tarot course. So nearly more than 1.5 years, we started our journey on this tarot field. So first, see, whenever we have to do something, of special certification courses must. Just reading some 1 or 2 handbooks and practicing will never help. So for that, from Indian Institute of Vedic Astrology, here is the bunch of study material. From this Indian Institute of Vedic Astrology, we did our tarot certification course, and nearly, as I said, more than 1.5 years we spent to complete this course. Then later, again I am not satisfied with one book, so I purchased a few more books. This one, the book which I like the most, Tarot. It's a wonderful book with beautiful pictures in this, like this, and giving information of each and every tarot card in short. It's a very wonderful book, and this is the first book after this which I purchased of tarot is this. Then to study this field in detail, later I went for this, the Tao of Tarot, this one, the Tao of Tarot. Then later one more book, that is Soraya Tarot. Even this book I like the most. I have read this complete book, so it's a very wonderful book which gives you lot of information about the tarot. Then in tarot card, there is importance for the spreads of the tarot cards. In what way we spread the tarot cards is, we can say, one important aspect of tarot. So to know more about the tarot spreads, I purchased this book, that is Tarot Spreads. So these books help me to show that which spreads help to get the answers of the particular questions. So this tarot spreads gives you the detailed information of the different spreads of the cards in tarot. Here is my collection of the tarot cards. Yes, after completing the certification course of tarot, I practiced as a tarot reader along with Neeta Daulatkar madam for a few months. But as I said again, as my first preference always is my tuition classes, because of the inconvenience to manage the time and all, I stopped the practice of tarot reading. But still, on the personal basis, whenever in my life, when I get stuck up with some questions, I take out my cards and I try to find out the answers for those questions. And here I can say I'm very happy or glad to say that my tarot cards always helps me to find the way. So this is a very beautiful connection, that is golden tarot. I think you can see the color of these cards. Golden tarot, very beautiful cards. Then the next one is Egyptian tarot. Even these cards are very beautiful cards. Like these pictures are there on these cards, that is Egyptian tarot, this one. These cards, to be very frank, I rarely use these cards. My favorite one are Golden Tarot and the Rider-Waite cards. I'll just show you that. This one. Most often I use this Rider-Waite or Golden Tarot. I use these cards. This one. These are most commonly worldwide used card for tarot reading, that is Rider-Waite cards. There are thousands of, we can say, options to select the tarot cards. Then even this also rarely I used, that is Mystical Tarot deck. Even this is beautiful deck with like these pictures here. So these are my this is my collection of the tarot cards. There is just one book here, Healing with the Angels. Healing with the Angels. See, it is believed that we are always surrounded by some energy source, energy. Yes, there are energy points like aura or something like that we say. We can heal using this universal energy. So I don't know, I was just browsing the books and this book, somehow it attracted me. That is Healing with the Angels. And when I started reading this book, many, we can say, the mysterious things I came to know after reading this book. So even this is one wonderful book which I read. So this was all about my next set of book collection. This astrology, Reiki and tarot. So this collection was quite different. Again, I would like to say that this is not the end of the collection of my books. Yes, there is one more different type of collection which is waiting, and it is not possible to cover all these collections in one video. So I will make one more video to show you my one more special type of collection of the books which I like the most. Yes, I would like to show in my next video. Thank you so much for watching the collection of my books. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe to get the regular updates of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.